Vivo X50 and X50 Pro arrive in India. TWS Earphone Neo tag along. 16 July 2020. Today Vivo announced the arrival of its X50 and X50 Pro smartphones in India. The X50 Pro Jor that was unveiled alongside those two last month didn't make the cut, but Vivo brought the TWS Earphone Neo earphones to the Indian market. Vivo X50 Pro. The Vivo X50 Pro is built around a 6.56 90Hz AMOLED display of Full HD Jor resolution that has curved edges and a fingerprint reader underneath. The smartphone boots Android 10 and has a Snapdragon 765G SoC at the helm. It comes in a single 8GB, 256GB configuration. The headline feature of the Vivo V50 Pro is its camera system. The smartphone sports a 3MP selfie camera, and around the back is a quad camera setup comprising 8MP main, 18MP portrait, 8MP periscope telephoto, and 8MP ultra-wide angle units. The primary camera features a gimbal-style stabilization, which promises videos much smoother than any rival. The 8MP telephoto unit comes with 5x optical zoom and promises up to 60x hybrid zoom. The Vivo X50 Pro is powered by a 4315 mAh battery that draws power from a USB-C port at up to 33W. The X50 Pro is offered in an alpha grey color and is priced at 49,990 Indian rupees, $665 per a 580. Vivo X50. The Vivo X50 that was launched in China last month came with a Snapdragon 765G SoC, but the Indian unit has the Snapdragon 730 chipset under the hood. The X50 runs Android 10 out of the box and has two memory configurations: 8GB, 128GB, and 8GB, 256GB. Like the Pro version, the vanilla X50 also sports a 6.56 90Hz Full HD Jor AMOLED display with a fingerprint reader embedded, but we are looking at a flat panel here instead of one with 3D curves. The regular X50, like the Pro variant, comes with a total of 5 cameras, but there are some differences. The X50 retains the 3MP selfie shooter and the 8MP main camera, but the gimbal system is gone and the 8MP periscope module is replaced with the 5MP macro unit. The battery size is also reduced to 4200 mAh, but it still charges at up 33W through a USB-C port. The Vivo X50 comes in two colors: frost blue and glaze black. The base model with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced at 34,990 Indian rupees, $465 per a 410, and for 3,000 Indian rupees, $40 per a 35 more you get double storage. Vivo TWS Earphone Neo. Vivo TWS Earphone Neo earphones sport half-in-ear design and are powered by Qualcomm's QCC3046 chip. They pack 14.2mm drivers and each bud weighs 4.7 grams. The TWS Earphone Neo feature touch controls and support apps adaptive AAC and SBC codecs. The earphones are IP54 rated and come with dual beamforming microphones for AI noise cancelling. Vivo claims that TWS Earphone Neo have a low latency of 88 milliseconds. They come with Bluetooth 5.2 that enables apps adaptive HD audio, which Vivo says delivers CD quality audio. Vivo TWS Earphone Neo in moonlight white and starry blue colors. Fueling these earphones are 27 mAh batteries in each bud, offering up to 4.5 hours on a single charge. Combined with the charging case packing a 415 mAh battery, you get a total of up to 22.5 hours of playback. The case itself charges through a USB-C port in around 100 minutes. The Vivo TWS Earphone Neo are priced at 5,990 Indian rupees, $80 per 870, and have two color options: moonlight white and starry blue. It's unclear when the TWS Earphone Neo will be available for purchase in India, but the X50 and X50 Pro are already up for pre-order through Amazon.in, Flipkart, Paytm Mall and Tata Click, as well as offline retailers which include Reliance Digital, Vijay Sales and Croma. Sales will begin on July 24th.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए।